Enjoy an organic and natural boost of energy with Hempworx CBD plus Coffeeberry Extract. Coffeeberry Extract is a patented formula derived from carefully selected and hand-picked Arabica coffee cherries, which are known for their antioxidant properties and naturally derived caffeine. Plus, it's sourced from only Rainforest Alliance certified farms. For an extra dose of wow, each soft gel also is infused with NeuroFactor, a unique profile of polyphenols that has been shown to support the production of Brain-Derived Neurotrophic Factor, BDNF, a key neuroprotein involved in overall brain function and performance. Coffeeberry, NeuroFactor, and CBD is the perfect mixture for the healthy energy levels and brain function you're looking for. No jitters, more energy, overall well-being. There's nothing like a healthy boost of energy from Hempworx CBD plus Coffeeberry Extract.